Suddenly, I remember my childhood that in most of the time I used to play retro games with using my console. Such an old, good days. In this video, I found the best websites that we can play retro games online. So, let's jump to the screen. Let's start with the first website. First website name is megadriveemulator.com. And I scroll a bit and you'll see all the games that are available for the Mega Drive console. Okay, I'm going to test Sonic. I click on the Sonic. The start button is Enter, Q, W, E are these buttons, A, B, C are A, S, D buttons, and the arrow keys are the navigations. So I press on the Let's Play it. As you can see, it's downloading the game data and all done. We have the game. I just full screen it. So I hit Enter button. We have cool options in here. We can restart it, we can pause the game, we can save this state, and after we save it, we can load it. We have control settings, so if you want to customize any button, you will go in here and change it. If you do mistakes, you need to hit on the reset. I just click on the close, and in here, you'll see Cache Manager, Export Save File, and Import Save File, okay? So if you save something into this game, you will simply export it, and if you want to load that state, you can simply import it, the save state or load the state that you have. Imagine you have a friend that loves playing Sonic, and you just suck in this step, so he plays it, and after that, he saves the states. Then he export his save file, he export his save state, and gives it to you. So if you import it, you will go into the way or into the place, into the part that your friend saves that game. Okay, maybe he just passed this level and he go to the next step. So if you have his save file, you can import it and jump into the next step of the game. Okay, with this way you can do it. If we go to the settings, you will see cores, you will see graphic settings, you will see speed options, save states, core options. As an example, if I go to the graphic settings, you can see the FPS, which is right now is on height, is hidden. You can enable VSync, and you can change the video rotation. So this is the first website that has lots of games on it. If you click in this button, Install Chrome Web Emulator, you can simply install a Chrome extension in your browser, and whenever you click on that one, that extension that you added, you can simply play Sega games, Mega Drive games, okay? I just hit on the cancel. If you want to play Super Nintendo emulator, if you want to play arcade emulators, you simply click and you'll see another website. So, as an example, it has 40 games with PlayStation 1. So, let me click on it. I really like to play Tekken. I can search it in here. Tekken 3. I click on it. I'm a master of playing Tekken 3s. So, I hit on the play game. Again, I will see ads. I disable the ads. As you can see, it's decompressing and downloading data. So you need to wait a bit until this download part finished, and then you can easily play games. Another cool option that this website has is the control settings. I just simply go to the control settings, and in here you can add another players. So if you have more gamepads, you can add another player. In here, on the player one, I actually connect my keyboard and gamepad. As you can see, the stick up is T and left is C key in here. Okay, so if you want to change it, click in here, and as an example, I just press in up and it will be changed. Okay, if you do mistakes, you need to reset it, and I just hit on the close. If you want to play PS1 games faster and smoother, you need to click on this one. On that video, I'm going to tell you how you can play PS1 games with using an emulator called DockStation. I'm going to tell you how to install it, how to improve the quality of the games, and do a bunch of other things, such as connecting your controllers. So, if you want, watch that one. And for the final one, I just go into the Super Nintendo emulator, and in here, I will play this game, Super Mario Kart. I win it. I win. All done. If you like this type of content, don't forget to press the subscribe button. With this way, you can help us to achieve 1K subs faster. If you want, you can watch these two videos. First one is how to install PS1 games on an Android phone, and the other one is how to install PS1 games on an emulator in Windows operating system. See you at the next one.